Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about relative layout. As you already know, a relative layout allows you to position views relative to the parent layout or relative to other views in the layout. You define the relative layout using the relative element like this. The XML-NS Android attribute is used to specify the Android namespace, and you must always set it to http schemas.android.com/apk/res/android. The Android layout width and Android layout height attributes specify how wide and high you want the layout to be. These attributes are mandatory for all types of layout and view. You can set Android layout width and Android layout height to match parent, wrap content, or a specific size such as 10 dp, 10 density independent pixels. Wrap content means that you want the layout to be just big enough to hold all of the views inside it, and match parent means that you want the layout to be as big as its parent, in this case as big as the device screen minus any padding. You'll usually set the layout width and height to match parent. You may sometimes see Android layout width and Android layout height to fill parent. Fill parent was used in older versions of Android and it's now replaced by match parent. Fill parent is deprecated. If you want there to be a bit of space around the edge of the layout, you can set padding attributes. These attributes tell Android how much padding you want between each of the layout sides and its parent. Here's how you would tell Android you want to add padding of 16 dp around all edges of the layout. The Android padding attributes are optional and you can use them with any layout or view. In the above example, we have hard-coded the padding and set it to 16 dp. An alternative approach is to specify the padding in a dimension resource file instead. Using a dimension resource file makes it easier to maintain the padding of all the layouts in your app. You use a dimension resource file by setting the padding attributes in your layout file to the name of a dimension resource like this. Android then looks up the values of the attributes at runtime in the dimension resource file. This file is located in the app/src/main/res/values folder, and it's usually called dimens.xml. When you create a new Android Studio project and add an activity to it, the IDE will usually create this for you. That's it for this video. I'll be continuing more about the relative layout in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment on this video, which really motivates me to make such useful content for you. Also, don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you, and finally subscribe to my channel.